Good morning, students. My name is Mandeep Kaur from California Public School. Hope all of you are fine. And now let's start today's topic. We are doing the fourth chapter. Name of the chapter is fractions. And we already have finished its three worksheets. That means 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3. Now let's start its last worksheet, that is 4.4. Now in this worksheet, we just have to solve the fraction and we will follow the BODMAS rule to solve all these fractions. Firstly, I will explain the BODMAS rule. The BODMAS rule, B-O-D-M-A-S. Firstly, B. B stands for brackets. Now, brackets, B stands for brackets. Now, there are three types of brackets. Firstly, we will solve the open bracket. In the statement, firstly, we have to solve the open bracket. After that, we have to solve the curly bracket. And lastly, we have to solve the closed bracket. We have three types of brackets. So whenever we have comes to the bracket in the question, firstly we have to solve the open bracket. After that we have to solve the curly bracket, and lastly we have to solve the closed bracket. Now O stands for off. Whenever we have off symbol, we have to solve it firstly, and we have to change the off symbol to in the form of we have to change the symbol of in form of multiplication. After that is D. D stands for division. After that of we have to solve the division. After that is M. M stands for multiplication. After that is A. A stands for addition. And the last one is S, and S stands for subtraction. So using all these rules, we just have to solve the fractions. Now come to the first question of this worksheet. We have to solve 11 into 2 by 5 of 4 by 9 division 6 by 45 minus 5. Now look at here. We have to solve these fractions. Firstly, according to the rule, we have off symbol, division symbol and subtraction symbol. So according to the rule, firstly comes the off symbol, after that is division, and after that is subtraction. So firstly we have to solve this off symbol. Firstly we have to solve this off symbol. That is in form of mixed fraction. So we have to convert it into the improper fraction. So 5 into 11, that is 55 plus 2, that is 55 plus 2, that is 57 over 5. Now changing the off symbol in the form of multiplication. Multiplication here is 4 by 9 and all others will remain same because we have to solve firstly this off symbol. That means we have to solve firstly this one. Here is off symbol, we have to change into the multiplication, and firstly we have to solve all these off symbol. After that we have to solve the other concepts. Now look at here. Here is 57 into 4 over 5 multiply 9. Now 57 multiply 4, that is 228 over 5 nines are 45. Okay. Now here is division. Here is 6 over 45 and here is minus 5. Now firstly we have solved the off symbol. We have solved the off symbol and the value becomes 228 over 45. Now after that we have to solve that division symbol because we have in this statement the division symbol is there. Now we have to solve this statement only. Now to convert the division symbol into multiplication, we just have to take its reciprocal. So here is 228 over 45. To change the division form into multiplication, you just have to take its reciprocal. 45 over 6 and negative 5 is as it is. So we are going to solve this one because we have changed the division symbol to a multiplication. Now 45 and 45 both are cancelled. Here is 6 ones are 6, here is 6 threes are 18 and 6 eights are 48. Whenever you will divide 228 by 6, you will get the answer 38 as a quotient. 228 divided by 6, you will get the quotient 38. Now here is 38. In this statement we have only 38 and here is minus 5. So it becomes 38 minus 5, that is 33, which is our required answer. Now come to the next question of this worksheet. Now the next part is we have to be solve 5 over 11 of 66 over 30 division 1 over 25 minus 16 over 9. Now we have to solve this statement. Firstly, according to this rule, firstly we have to solve the off symbol, after that division, after that subtraction. So firstly we will have to solve this part only. So to convert off into form of multiplication, so it can be written as 5 by 11 multiply 66 by 30. Here is division 1 by 25 minus 16 by 9. All others will remain same because firstly we will have to solve this off symbol statement fully. Now here is 11 ones are 11 and 11 6 are 66. Here is 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. Here 6 and 6 both are cancelled. So all this statement will solve and we will get the answer here 1. And here is division 1 over 25 minus 16 over 9. Now look at here. Firstly we have solved this off part only and we will get the answer here is 1. Now after that the off we have to solve the division. So to solve the division we have to convert it into the multiplication by taking its reciprocal. So it can be written as 25 by 1 and here is minus 16 by 9. We are solving this part only. Now 1 into 25, that is 25 minus 16 by 9. Here it can be written as a 1. Now after this what we have to do, we have to take its LCM. The LCM of 1 and 9. The LCM of 1 and 9. Here is 1 as it is, 3 3s are 9. Here is 3, 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3. So its LCM is 3 multiply 3, that is 9. So its LCM is 9. Now after this what we have to do? You just have to divide its denominator by its denominator, and whatever the quotient will come, you have to multiply its quotient by its numerator. Now 9 divided by 1, that is 9. Whenever you will divide 9 by 1, you will get the quotient 9. Now 9 multiply 25. Whenever you will multiply 9 into 25, you will get the answer 225. After that, 9 divided by 9, that is 1. And 1 multiply 16, that is 16. Here is minus and here is 16. Now whenever you will subtract this value, you will get the answer 209 over 9, which is our required answer. Now come to the next question of this worksheet. Okay, now come to the next question of this worksheet. We have to solve 2 by 11 of 1 by 3 plus 5 by 9 divided by 9 by 15. So according to the BODMAS rule, firstly we have to solve the bracket. In this question there is a bracket and here is open bracket. So firstly we have to solve this bracket part only. So just have to concentrate only open bracket part. So all others will be remain same. 2 by 11 of will be same. Firstly we have to solve this bracket. Now for solving this, what we have to do? We have to take its LCM, the LCM of 3 and 9. The LCM of 3 and 9. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. After that again 3, here is 1, 3 1s are 3. So its LCM is 3 multiply 3, that is 9. So its LCM is 9. After that 9 divided by 3. The quotient is 3 because 3 3s are 9. And 3 multiply 1, that is 3. Now here is plus. Again 9 divided by 9, that is 1. And 1 multiply 5, that is 5. And here is division 9 by 15. So we have to solve the bracket firstly. So all others will remain same. Now 3 plus 5, that is 8 over 9. So we have solved this open bracket and all others are same. Now after this, what symbol we have to follow? We have to solve the off bracket, because firstly we have to solve the bracket, after that we have to solve the off symbol. So we have to solve this part only and this will remain same. So to convert off into the symbol of multiplication, and here is 8 by 9 and here is 9 by 15. So we are just going to solve this off symbol. So just to have to put all these values remain same because we are solving this off part only. Now these values are not going to be cancelled. So you just have to multiply 2 into 8, that is 16. and 11 into 9, that is 99. So we have solved this off part and we will get the answer 16 over 99. From this it becomes this and it becomes this. So we have solved this off part. Now after this we have divided by 9 by 15. So the last one we have to solve this division. To convert the symbol of division in form of multiplication, we just have to take its reciprocal. So it can be written as, here is 16 by 99 and multiply, here is 15 over 9, because we are going to change this division into multiplication and we have to take its reciprocal, and 15 by 9. Now both these values are cancelled in the table of 3. Here is 3 5s are 15, here 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. After that we have 16 into 5, that is 80 over 33 into 9, that is 297, which is our required answer. Now come to the next question of this worksheet. Okay, now the next part we have to be solved 3 into 1 by 5. 3 into 1 by 5, that is in the mixed fraction form, divided by 2 by 15 and plus 18 by 21, and last is multiply 4. Now the symbols are division, addition and multiplication. So according to rule, firstly we have to solve the division, after that multiplication, we have to solve multiply, and lastly we have to solve the addition. So firstly we have to solve this division part. So convert this mixed fraction form into an improper fraction. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1, it can be written as 16 over 5, and here is division 2 by 15, here is plus 18 over 21 multiply 4. Firstly we are going to solve this division part. So to convert the symbol of division in form of multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of this part. So it can be written as 16 by 5 multiply 15 by 2, and all others will remain same, because firstly we have to solve this part only. Now here is 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So 8 3s are 24. So firstly we have solved this division part and we will get the answer 24. Now after this we have, here is 18 over 21 multiply 4. Now after the division what we have to solve? So we have to solve this multiplication part. So we have to solve this part and 24 will remain same. Here is, now look at here, here is 18 by 21 multiply 4. Both these are cancelled on the table of 3. Here is 3 7s are 21 and 3 6 are 18. So it becomes 6 4s are, it can be written as this way. So 6 4s are 24 and 7 1s are 7. 6 4s are 24 and 7 1s are 7. Now again what we have to do? We have to take its LCM, and by taking an LCM we have to calculate the required answer. Now after this we have the LCM of 7 and 1 is 7. 7. Now 7 divided by 1, that is 7. So 7 multiplied 24, that is 168. Here is plus. Now 7 divided by 7, that is 1, and 1 multiplied 24, that is 24. By adding this value we have 192 by 7, which is our required answer. Now come to the next question of this worksheet. Okay, now come to the next question of this worksheet. We have to solve 4 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3 minus 4 or 5 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 13 into 1 by 2. Now according to rule, firstly we have to solve these brackets, and firstly we have to solve this open bracket. From this to this part we have to solve first. So all others will remain same. 4 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 3 minus. Now here is, look at here, 4. the symbol of can be changed into multiplication. Here is mixed fraction, so we have to convert into improper fraction form. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 2. Here is minus 1 by 2. Again we have to change this. 13 2s are 26 plus 1, that is 27 by 2. Now we have to solve in this open bracket firstly. So all others will remain same. 2 into 1 by 2. Here is 3 minus. Now look at here. Here is 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4, because this is in the form of multiplication. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So it becomes 2 into 11, that is 22 minus. Here is 1 by 2. Here is minus 27 by 2. And we are going to solve this open bracket part firstly. So after this we have 4 into 1 by 6 plus here is 2 into 1 by 2 minus here is 3 minus. Now look at here. Here is 2 and 2. So we have to take its LCM, and its LCM is 2. Here its LCM is 2. So here is 1. Now in the form of LCM, what we have to do? We have to divide 2 by 1. 2 divided by 1, that is 2. So 2 into 22, that is 44. In the same way we have to divide 2 by 2, that is 1. And 1 into 1, that is 1. Again 2 by 2, that is 1. And 1 into 27, that is 27. So again this one. Here is 4 into 1 by 6 plus here is 2 into 1 by 2. Here is 3 minus. Now look at here is minus 1 minus 27, that is minus 28. So 44 minus 28. 44 minus 28 and it will minus 16. So after solving this we will get minus 16. Here is positive 16, because 44 is greater as comparative to 28. So the positive value comes because 44 is greater as comparative to 28. So we will pick the positive symbol here. So here is 16 positive over 2. After that we have, now here is 4 into 1 by 6 plus here is 2 into 1 by 2. Here is 3 minus. Now we are going to solve this open bracket firstly. So it will remain 16 by 2, and 16 by 2 can be 2 1s are and 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So it will become 8. Now we have solved this open bracket part. Now after solving the open bracket part, what we have to solve? We have to solve this curly bracket part. We have to solve this curly bracket part. Now look at here. We have 3 minus 8. In this side we have 4 into 1 by 6 plus here is 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Now 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. So minus minus, that is plus 5. Here is plus 5. So we have solved this curly bracket part. 3 minus 8, that is minus 5, and minus minus is plus 5. Now after the curly bracket part we have to solve this closed bracket. So here is 4 into 1 by 6 plus here is 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 2 plus 5. Now after this I am going to draw in this side. Okay, now look at here. Here is 4 into 1 by 6 plus here is 5 by 2 plus 5. We have to take its LCM. The LCM is 2. Here is 5, because whenever we will divide 2 divided by 2, that is 1, and 1 into 5, that is 5. So again we will divide 2 divided by 1, that is 2, and 2 multiply 5, that is 10. So here is mixed fraction. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, that is 25 over 6 plus it becomes 10 plus 5, 15 over 2. Now what we have to do? We have solved this closed bracket, and lastly we have to take its LCM. So the LCM of 6 and 2. LCM of 6 and 2, 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, here is 3 1s are 3. So LCM of 2, 6 and 2, that is 6. So its LCM is 6. After this 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So 1 into 25, that is 25, plus 6 divided by 2, that is 3, and 3 into 15, that is 45. So it becomes 5 5 10, 4 to 6 plus 1 70 by 6. Here is 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. So we will get the answer 35/3, which is our required answer. So hope so that all of you have been clear about all these concepts of the last worksheet 4.4. Now after that we will discuss the next chapter, fifth chapter of this. We will discuss about the fifth chapter of sex class. Thank you so much everyone.